Hello guys, if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe and like. Today I am going to show you about how to make PDF Word file into PDF. Let's open your PDF Word file into your laptop or desktop and let's do some trick. Today topic is that we are going to show you how to convert Word file into PDF file. If you are new into channel then please do subscribe and like share. Let's start. I'm typing my channel name is BJ the blogger. I need your support. This is my word and I want to save into PDF file. For saving into PDF file, click in file and here you can see save as. After clicking on save as, prepare your location. For location, browse your location where you want to save. I want to save it as my document file and name your file. I will name hello and then here you can see Word document. Please select as it PDF and it's okay and save and it's done, dear my friends. As you can see here, this is our PDF file. Thank you.